This is my friend Sniffles. Sniffles, say hello. So today we're here at Uvongo River. Now the last time I went up here was probably about 25 years ago. We were still in primary school. And growing up in this area, me and my friends used to come up to this river here that we'll be walking on now. We used to actually bass fish. We used to catch bass in here. It was such a thriving, healthy river. I'm not saying it's in any state now, but let's go take a walk and see. I've got my knob kitty with me, but it is a nature walk and it is popular, so I shouldn't feel. And it's right here by the South Coast Striders running club. Here's the tennis club, and this is Sniffles again. Let's go on and let's go on our journey, buddy. Let's go check what's this about. Sniffles is leading the way, so let's show you guys what this is actually about. So if you're ever on holiday here again, this is literally just over the Uvongo Bridge. You hit a right, your first right as you go over the bridge, and then you get to this place here, Uvongo River Conservancy, guys. It's awesome. These are the guys that are obviously overseeing this and putting a lot of their time and effort and passion into it. And there's a reference to their hidden cameras, and obviously if you want to donate to their cause. So let's go and have a look, guys. Check it. Bring your dog, put them on a leash. I've also got pool packets in case he decides to drop. So check here, like little swings. These looks like it'll take an adult. Sniffles is too excited, he's sniffing away. Okay, come, let's go down to the river, boy. Let's go see what this is about. Let's show everyone. Now, I had my 13th birthday here, believe it or not, many years ago. Come. I don't know. I'm assuming it starts here. I haven't done this in almost 3 decades, guys. Yes, I'm assuming this is the walk now. I think this used to be the old squash courts. Now it's a clubhouse. Okay, here we go, guys. We're starting on our journey on the walk. Uvongo Conservancy River Walk. Oh wow. There we go. This is paradise. Come, Sniffles. Supposed to protect me, dog. Check out this, guys. Come, go. This is unbelievable. Look at that. Beautiful walk. Okay. So this is the river at the moment. Extremely dry. Yeah, a little bench here. Yeah. So here's the Uvongo River. Shows you how dry it actually is. Ready? We get smile. Okay. Okay. Right. Let's carry on with our journey. Wow. Okay. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I can't believe. Look at this, guys. I mean, there's a little chill spot here. Come, Sniffles. You sit here. And you can chill here. Look at this. There goes that little Natal robin. I can't believe it. Okay. One of my favorite spots here, guys. Look at this. Hey everyone, this is me and Sniffles, and this is our expedition up Uvongo River. Look at this. Okay, so next spot, boy. Let's go. You lead the way. Let's go, lad. Hold on. Let's go see, guys. You can see and assume it's the Uvongo Conservancy that are maintaining this so well. Let's go, Sniffles. Look, yeah. Up, this is Uvongo River, guys. Okay, let's go, Sniffs, let's go. This way around me, boy. This way, okay, go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Okay, little caves. Caves there. Ooh, we were Boy Scouts. We actually came. Oh, yes, man. We came here many times as Boy Scouts looking for snares. And we used to find many here. They put them under the trees here and the pathways where the buck walked through. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Okay, let's go, Sniffs. Come, boys, this way. Oh, so close, guys. Maybe we crossed here. Oh, well, that one's pointing that way. I see we've got a sign here. This is... check here, guys. It's unbelievable. We're always looking down on the ground. When you look up, you realize it's giving this effect. Hey, Sniffs. Go. No, no, no. This way. That way. Wow. So I'm assuming we're on the other side of the river now. We're walking back that way, but I haven't been here in ages, so this is kind of almost feels new to me. And Sniffles is enjoying it. So we're on our way back now. I'll just show you how awesome. Every little corners are different. Hey, Sniffles, let's go, come. Look at this. You gotta get low sometimes. Nature. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. Oh man, nature doesn't try, it just is, and by default it's always just beautiful. So look here again, guys, look at how high this river got to when it flooded. You can see, look here, check up there. So yeah, it's about as tall as me. That's how high the river was, guys. So the water was up to where I am. Shows you the power of nature. So let's see if we can take a walk down here and I can show you. Once you see that bridge, you'll know exactly where I am. Oh, this is awesome, guys. This is literally 1 minute drive from Uvongo Beach. Even my dog's skeptical. Okay, let's go. Wow, okay. Okay, not too bad. A bit quicksandy, but we'll survive. Okay, guys. I'm walking in Uvongo River. check here guys, what a way to end. I see this path continues basically all the way till the end, as close as you can get here to the bridge. But look at this beautiful little spot here underneath this beautiful indigenous tree here. I'm not sure what its name is, but I know it is indigenous. And there's Uvongo Bridge. Let's go Sniffles, let's go see. Look at this guys, check it. Hey. What is that? No, not in the mud, baby. So there's Uvongo Bridge. I remember as a kid there used to be a rope in that tree across the river there. We used to swing and swim in this river. But that's it guys, that's Uvongo River. I'm actually glad I came up here, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful, and I think a lot more people need to come and experience this guys. See the work of a few true people, what they can do here. Now imagine if all of us start contributing a bit here to this place. This is unbelievable. Hey Sniffles. Hey, he's excited. And there we go guys, thanks for tuning in. Let's see where my curiosity leads me to next.